In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to lock your Facebook profile on mobile. So let's get started. First of all is that you want to go here into Facebook, and then you just simply need to go here into menu on the bottom right. And then from here, you want to go tap here on settings on the top right. And in here, you just simply want to go here into search settings. You want to go for followers. And then once you have typed that, you want to tap here on followers and public content. And from here, you would want to make this as discreet as possible. So here on who can follow me, you can set this into public because there is no other option. But basically on the other things, you want to make it as discreet as possible. Who can see your profile? Only me. Who can see the page, the list, and so on. You can see that right here. Who can comment? And then as for the public post notifications and the public profile info, you want to make sure that we have the same settings right here basically. And now you want to go back in here into the menu. Once you're all done in making all of them as discreet as possible, you want to now go here to your profile. And from here, you want to tap here on the three dots right here. And then you would want to go here into the lock profile. You should now have this button right here. But as you can see, I don't have one. And the reason for that is because I have this professional mode turned on right here. So even if you turned your followers and public settings to be as discreet as possible, if you have professional mode enabled, you will not have the lock feature. So I'm going to go tap on a turn off professional mode and turn it off. And then now, once it's turned off successfully, I can close and then go back in here in the three dots, and now I have the lock profile. I'm going to tap on that and tap on lock your profile, and there it is. My profile is now locked, as you can see right here. And yeah, that is basically how we can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.